encontrei ninguém que tenha a beleza dela. Sou do morro, sou favela, mas meu coração se apaixonou por essa Cinderela. Ela é da zona sul, loirinha de olho azul, e o impasse é upa.
Good morning, here is your cough syrup. You should take it a day. You should take it 3 times a day to help relieve your cough.
Okay, how should I take it?
The cough syrup is taken after meals 3 times daily.
Is there anything else I need to know?
Yes, please don't take more than the prescribed dose.
Let me make sure I understand. I should take cough syrup 3 times a day. It is taken after meals, and I should not take more than the recommended dose. Is that correct?
That's correct. Well done.
Thank you for information.
You're welcome. Get well soon.